Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make egg roll apple pies in the air fryer today. I think just about any pie filling would work great in these egg rolls, although I do have one more that I'd like to try. I don't really want to give it away, but if you want me to make that video, leave a message down in the comments. If I get enough people wanting to see it, I will go ahead and make that video. By the way, before we get started, these apple pie egg rolls warm up wonderfully the next day in the air fryer. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using Granny Smith apples today. I used 3 of them. I peeled them, cored them, and I chopped them up into little pieces. Now we are ready to go ahead and add our ingredients. I got 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar. By the way, we have about 3 cups of chopped apples here. 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. You don't have to do this. This is about 1/2 of a teaspoon. You go ahead and mix this well. Okay, I have one of our egg roll wrappers. We're going to need some water to help seal it up with. I'm going to go ahead and take some of our apple filling, put it about in the middle. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. We don't want to overdo it or we're going to break our wrapper. That looks good. I'm going to bring these corners in, like so. And then I'm going to start rolling it up. We don't want to roll it too tightly or we will rip it. Now I'm going to take some of our water, put it along this edge right here, bring it up and seal it, just like so. Now if you want, you can put some egg wash on these and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on it. I'm not going to do that today, but I will spray these with some oil. I'm going to be using olive oil. Reason why I'm spraying these is basically for color. I want a nice golden brown color. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop these into my air fryer basket real quick with the seam side down. Start off 380 for 10 minutes. Okay, our 10 minutes is up, and these are looking good. I do have some leakage where I did not get some of these corners sealed up good. Nothing major, we're okay. I'm going to look at the bottom. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn these over and do a couple minutes on the other side, and that should do it. So 380 degrees for 2 minutes on the other side. Okay, our 2 minutes is up on the other side, and it smells so good in here. And these look absolutely wonderful. I'm going to be serving this with some Marzetti old-fashioned caramel dip. If you never tried this, oh my goodness, you're missing out. You can find this in the produce section. It is so good. It's a cloudy day here today, and my lighting is not the best. I apologize. These are still kind of hot, and it's been about 10 minutes. So make sure you let these cool off real good before you start eating. Okay, these are cool enough now, safe for me to take a bite. I'm going to dip it into my caramel dip. So good. The apples are nice and tender. Perfect amount of cinnamon and sugar. These are absolutely delicious. Also, if you want me to do one more egg roll pie video, let me know down in the comments. If I get enough people wanting to see it, I will film it. If not, I will just let it go. Let it go. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.